Need extra income? Here are 10 side hustles you can start this weekend, literally this Saturday and Sunday. No special skills, no huge investment, just ways to make money fast. Hi, I'm Flo, and welcome to Finance and Glow, where we help you transform your money and elevate your life. Whether you need an extra $200 this month or you're building toward replacing your income, these 10 side hustles are realistic, doable, and you can start right now. Let's get into it. Side hustle number 1, freelance writing. If you can write clearly, businesses need you. Blog posts, website copy, social media captions, companies pay $50, $200 per piece. Where to start? Upwork, Fiverr, or Contently. Create a simple profile, write 2 to 3 samples, and start applying to jobs. You can land your first client this week. Potential earnings, $500 to $2,000 month part-time side hustle. Number 2, virtual assistant businesses need help with emails, scheduling, data entry, social media, all things you can do from home. Where to start? Belay, Fancy Hands, or Facebook groups for virtual assistants. Set your rate at 15 to 25 hour to start. Potential earnings, 300 yen 1,500 month, depending on hours. Side hustle number 3, dog walking, pet sitting. If you love animals, this is perfect. Dog owners pay $15 to $30 per walk, $25 to $75 per day for pet sitting. Where to start? Rover or Wag. Create a profile, set your rates, pass a background check, and you're live. First booking could happen this weekend. Potential earnings, $200 1,000 month. Side hustle number 4, food delivery, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. You pick up food and deliver it. Flexible hours, work whenever you want. Where to start? Download the app, pass the background check, and you can start delivering within days. Most people earn 15 to 25 hour, including tips. Potential earnings, $500 to $2,000 month part-time. Side hustle number 5, sell on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp. Declutter your house and make money. That closet full of clothes you don't wear? List them. Old furniture? Sell it. Electronics, books, decor, people buy everything. Where to start? Take photos, write descriptions, list for free on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. You could make $200, $500 this weekend just cleaning out your house. Potential earnings, $200 to $1,000 month. Side hustle number 6, online tutoring. Good at math, English, science. Tutor students online. Parents pay $20-$60 hour for quality tutoring. Where to start? Wisent, tutor.com, or Chegg Tutors. You need knowledge in a subject, but you don't need a teaching degree. Potential earnings, $300 to $2,000 month part-time. Side hustle number 7, house sitting people need someone to watch their home while they're away. Water plants, collect mail, watch pets. It's easy, and some gigs pay $25 to $75 day. Where to start? Trusted house sitters, Mind My House, or ask in neighborhood Facebook groups. Potential earnings, $200, $800 a month. Side hustle. 8, social media management for small businesses. Small businesses need help posting on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. If you understand social media, which you probably do, you can do this. Where to start? Reach out to 10 local businesses, salons, gyms, coffee shops, boutiques. Offer to manage their social media for $300, $500 month per client. Potential earnings, $300 to $2,000 month, depending on clients. Side hustle number 9, handmade crafts on Etsy. If you make anything, jewelry, candles, prints, stickers, planners, you can sell it on Etsy. Millions of people shop there daily. Where to start? Create an Etsy shop. Free. List 10-20 items, optimize your titles and descriptions, and promote on social media. Potential earnings, $100 to $2,000 month, grows over time. Side hustle number 10, TaskRabbit Odd Jobs. Furniture assembly, moving help, handiwork, cleaning. People pay for help with random tasks. Where to start? TaskRabbit.com. Create a profile, list your skills, set your rates. You pick which tasks you want to do. Potential earnings, 300, 1/500 month part-time. And there you have it, 10 side hustles you can start this weekend. Pick one, create an account, and take action today. Here's my advice, don't try to do all 10. Pick one that fits your skills, your schedule, and your interest level. Start there. Spend this weekend setting it up. Next weekend, land your first client or make your first sale. The weekend after that, refine your process. Side hustles aren't just about extra money. They're about proving to yourself that you can create income. Once you make your first $100, you realize you have more control over your finances than you thought. Start small, stay consistent, and scale up. That's how you build real income. Which side hustle are you going to try? Drop a comment and let me know. I started with freelance writing and made $500 my first month. You can do this. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money-making tips and side hustle ideas. I'm here to help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching. I'm Flo, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep glowing.